What's up guys, Bill here, KRAVE Automotive. I got a pretty cool truck behind me and we have done a lot of work on this vehicle over the last couple of weeks and I'm excited to show it to you. We are now an official Alu-Cab dealer. So that means we get to do pretty sweet projects like this. So I have a 2021 Jeep Gladiator here behind me with a Alu-Cab ModCAP and all of the accessories. So let's get in there and let's check it out. As I said guys, this ModCAP is fully loaded. We have everything in here. We have the Mozzie Midgie nets. We have a big water tank down here. We have, from 813 Designs, they created this beautiful table mount so we can actually have a table on this Jeep Gladiator. We have a Dickinson Newport fireplace on this truck. And then we did a ton of extensive electrical on this as well. 300 amp hour battery, 1200 watt inverter, DC-DC charger, MPPT charger for solar, and then all of the plugs down here. And I have forgotten to mention, this truck has a full fart system built into it as well. Alan and Joanne did a beautiful job building this system out for Mark. 2 seats, comfort cushion on the water tank here. And you know, it's just a nice place to hang out when things are a little crappy outside. So on this truck here, you can also see we have electrical panels that turns on all the lights on the vehicle. We have an additional table mount here, which I'll show you in a second on what that looks like on the outside. And yeah, it's an absolutely awesome build. Behind me here, we have a water heater. And so why don't we get outside and I can show you that. Getting back outside the truck here, you'll notice we have a GP Factor table, GP Factor propane mount, 11-pound propane tank there. We've got the water spout. And on the outside here, we actually have some 813 design pieces as well. The Gladiator ModCAP does not come with a filler piece for the rear camera relocate. So we've got that in there. All the plumbing is hidden behind that as well. And you'll notice the 270 awning, which is a must on any of these campers. Coming over to this side here, you will notice that there's this additional table that mounts on the side of the truck here. So if you're hanging out underneath, you got somewhere to put your drinks or whatever have you. And let's not forget, we do have that inverter. The plug on here is super easy to get to from the electrical panel. We want to make sure everything's easily accessible. Coming to the other side of the truck, propane mount for cooking on that back table, shore power plug for the inverter. And then on this side, we have a Julka hot tap plumbed into the propane and the electrical, ready to go, mounts from 813. And then obviously the ModCAP shower on the outside as well. So this truck is ready to go, set up for camping, all the creature comforts that you might need. Final touches on this truck to get it finished and ready for the road was a Sunflare Explorer solar panel, 185 watt on the roof. And then to make sure this truck can handle all the weight and get down the trail safely and comfortably, we did put Dobinson heavy duty rear coil springs and heavy duty front coil springs in this vehicle, with a future Dobinson MRR kit coming for this vehicle as well. Thanks for checking out the build, guys. If you are looking to get a truck built like this, reach out to our sales team. We would be happy to help you out. We are a specialist in building off-road, overland, and exploration vehicles, and we can do it on any one of the platforms that Alu-Cab offers one of these ModCAPs for.